Hi cosplay shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Cosplay Wig Out. I'm Nana and today I'm going to be teaching you how to braid your wig. Now the first thing you want to do is comb out all the knots. Make sure there are no knots. Start from the middle and go to the bottom and just gently comb down. Now the first thing you want to do is start from the side of the wig. You are going to grab 3 small portions of hair. Two, make sure they are separated and not stuck together. Okay. Now that you have your 3 strands, you are going to twist one of them and then twist the other one. And you are just slowly going to cross it over into an X, bring the 3rd one forward and go over it. You repeat this process until you get a braid. Should look something like that. Gonna continue. Now you have a little braid. To make sure I don't lose it, I'm gonna pin it with a bobby pin. I'm gonna pin it somewhere. Right here. Okay. Now we're going to do the second braid. We're going to gently comb through it. We're going to part it into 3 strands. Twist the first strand, twist the second, grab the 3rd, and we're going to start braiding. Make sure that the 2 strands have become an X. You want this kind of V to come out, and then have the 3rd one just randomly out there. You're going to put it over and under. Over, and this one goes over the 2nd one, over the middle one, and you just gradually work your way down. Now that you have your 2 strands, just pin it together. Pull out the top for when you're actually wearing the wig, and it should look like this when you have it on your head. Okay? Alright, thanks for watching. That's all the time we have for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments and contact us. Remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching.